Remember that one time you signed away your life to take out student loans or to buy your first car? Do you ever wonder where that money comes from? Well, obviously our first answer is the bank, but how does the bank just create this money out of thin air? Well, according to Forbes magazine, when banks create a new loan asset, they must also create an equal and opposite liability. In this case, you and your 9-to-5 job are the liability. Your signature on the loan agreement serves as your collateral until you pay it back in full. DeFi lending, on the other hand, is a bit different. You must put up collateral in crypto assets, but you can borrow directly from your peers without a bank serving as the middleman. It also gives full transparency, immutability, and is censorship resistant. If you'd like a quick refresher on what DeFi is, you can check out our video here. Today, we'll be talking about our top 3 DeFi lending platforms and why we think they may take off. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts. Number 1, Aave. This is no surprise to anyone in the DeFi space. It's an Ethereum-based non-custodial protocol that enables the creation of money markets. Like several DeFi lending platforms, it offers a dual token model, A token and Lend. A token is an ERC20 token where lenders can earn compound interest, while Lend is the governance token. Aave offers varieties of loans and lending services such as uncollateralized loans, rate switching, flash loans, and unique collateral types. But the biggest reason Aave is leading the pack of DeFi lending platforms is due to all the tokens they support. Number 2, DYDX. DYDX brought margin trading, options, and derivatives to the blockchain space. These markets are normally found in fiat markets and are common in traditional investments. On the platform, users can trade, lend, or borrow ETH, DAI, and USDC. It also offers cross-margin trading and isolated margin trading, as well as a perpetual market contract of BTC USDC for 10x leverages. Unlike most other DeFi lending platforms, it doesn't have a native token, and such charges trading fees in the supported tokens. Number 3, Definer. The last project we're looking out for is Definer. Lending and borrowing on Definer is secure, and your assets are insured by Nexus Mutual. All loans are backed by collateral, and they offer support for over 15 digital assets you can trade from. They've been backed by tech giants including Microsoft and Techstars. This user-friendly interface makes it simple for investors and traders of all experience levels to dive in head first. Definer will be launching later this quarter, so keep an eye out for them. We're excited to experience what they have to offer. You can find out more information about them in the description below. So there you have it, our top 3 DeFi lending platforms. A couple runner-ups we thought that deserved a mention are Dharma and Maker, also known as Multi-Collateral DAI, MCD. What lending platforms are you using to maximize your gains? We'd love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we read every single comment. So until next time, hodl, secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.